Hi, I'm Sherry, and I love to come here to show tips of how to do makeup so that you look younger. Makeup and beauty tips for mature women, for women over 50. I'm 54, and a lot of the tips that I show you here are things that I just started doing in the last few years. And they're easy because if they aren't easy, I don't do it. I need my beauty routine to be easier, not harder, and I'm sure you do too. So today what I want to show you is how to fix an eyeshadow problem. So if you'll hold on just a minute, I'll start the video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my video channel, to my YouTube channel here, make sure you click subscribe. So hold on, and here's the tutorial. I want to show you today how to fix a really common eyeshadow problem. If you're in my Eyeshadow 101 course, you know that I talk about how to fix this. So this is just a little preview of what I offer in Eyeshadow 101. It's easy eyeshadow that will make you look younger, no matter what season of life you're in, okay? So let me introduce myself before I start. I'm Sherry Dias-Malott with Glam Lashes Galore, and I'm the leading authority for helping teach women how to use makeup with confidence. Again, no matter what season of life you're in or what age you are. I'm 54, and a lot of the things that I teach and that I've learned, I only learned really in the last few years. So what I want to show you is I have all of my makeup done, but I'm going to show you a really common mistake with eyeshadow. I'm going to use just a matte color on my brush right here, and I'm going to just put some makeup on my eye, okay? I'm just going to put some eyeshadow on my eye. All right, so there is some eyeshadow that you can see, right? It's sort of jumping out at you going, ah, eyeshadow, I'm here, I'm loud, I'm easy to see, right? Here's one way that you can help fix an eyeshadow problem that looks like this. You can take, I'm trying to think which thing I want to show you first. I have a couple of ways you can do this. Let's see, the first thing you can do is you can take a fluffy brush that's clean, or you can clean it off on one of these gadgets. If you don't have one of these gadgets, I will tell you where to find them. They are amazing. And you can take your brush and you can try to smooth out the lines from it. However, sometimes that's not gonna work. If the color is darker, like this is sort of a darker pigmentation, if the line is very abrupt and easy to see like that, you may do better going with a shadow brush like this that can hold some shadow, and you can do one of two things. You can go into a skin or a flesh tone pressed powder like this with your brush. You could even, let me get my palette here, you could even go into an eyeshadow color like this that's not shimmery, that's just matte, that's sort of a skin fleshy color. I can do that too. And you can press this into the top of that area where that shadow is, okay? What does that do? That starts diffusing the shadow so that that line is not so abrupt and not so loud, and it will help you get a softer look with your eyeshadow. And you may need to do it a couple of times with a little more product. And you can just tap it on there, and this is an easy way to fix a makeup mistake that you may have, or maybe you tried a new color and you're not really happy with the color the way that it turned out. You may think, oh, this did not look like this when I bought it in the store. When you do something like this, you can help fix it. You could even do a lighter color, say, a tan color, and you could apply that over it and try to blend it out. There's really no need for you to remove the entire eye makeup. I think the easier method is always to see, how can I make it work? How can I turn these lemons into lemonade, right? And so by applying either a powder or another product on top of it, you may be able to blend that out. That is a really easy way to fix an eyeshadow problem that isn't really working for you. That again, you're not liking the color. Maybe you feel like it doesn't maybe you feel like it doesn't complement your eyes, or it's not the look you were going for, or it's not the right color for whatever outfit you're wearing. If you're trying something that's a specific color and not necessarily, you know, in the browns or the tans or the taupes or, you know, any of those families, charcoals even. If you're trying something that's new, it just may not feel like a good fit for you. So the more that you go back into it with either powder or a flesh tone eyeshadow and a blending brush, you can go back in and you can help make it look better. It may not look as perfect as if you started all of your makeup at the same time with the exact products that you knew you wanted to wear that day, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't like jump out. It's not as harsh and attention getting as it was when I first put it on, right? Because when I first put it on, like that was not a look that was something that I would want to go out in. And a lot of people don't always know how to apply eyeshadow. They may not even know the right colors for them or how to choose colors. If you love eyeshadow, but all of that just sort of seems like really hard and confusing, and how do you even know what to pick, you can always get my free eyeshadow guide, my Eyeshadow Shortcuts. And when I'm done, I'll drop a copy of it below and you can get it. It's my free gift to you to say thank you for being here with me. But also, it helps you easily choose like whether you have brown eyes or green eyes or blue eyes. It just helps you choose which colors will make your own eyes accent and pop and just look beautiful. So this is a really handy tip. Anybody can do this. It's always great. Like you don't need a lot of eyeshadow brushes, but having an extra one on hand makes it so much easier to do a lot of different things. And this is just one of those things. So if you know someone who loves makeup and loves eyeshadow and all of that stuff, feel free to send this their way so that they can use this tip also. This is something that you can use. Start trying it this week with your own makeup. I'm Sherry Dias-Malott. I'm so thankful you're here. Welcome to all the new followers. I'm thankful you're here too. Thank you for joining. Have a fantastic week. Bye.